In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Airbnb gift card. If you want a quick, reliable gift for travelers, a gift card is perfect. Let's walk through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. Begin on Airbnb's official gift card page. Make sure you see the secure lock icon in your browser and that the address is correct. This helps you avoid lookalike sites. If you're already using the Airbnb app, that works too. Open Airbnb, tap your profile, select gift cards, and then tap Buy Now. Both paths take you to the same place. First, choose the gift card type. Most people pick a digital card for instant email delivery, but some regions also offer a physical card you can mail. Select the option that fits how you want the gift delivered, then tap Next. Now set the amount. You can choose a preset value, usually in a range like 25 to 500, or enter a custom amount that suits your budget. Double-check the currency and country because gift cards are often region-specific and can be redeemed only where they were purchased. When the amount looks right, tap Continue. Time to customize your gift. Add a short, friendly message to personalize it. Keep it clear and avoid including any private information. Then choose a design that matches the occasion. This doesn't change the value of the card, it just makes the presentation feel special. Next, fill in the necessary details. For a digital card, that's typically the recipient's name and email plus your own information, so the confirmation reaches you. For a physical card, you'll enter a mailing address. Review any delivery timing notes and the terms of use, including expiration or country restrictions. Before you pay, carefully review everything: the type, the amount, the message, the design, and the recipient details. Correcting an email after purchase can be difficult, so accuracy really matters. When you're confident everything is accurate, tap Buy Now to place the order. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you'll receive a receipt by email. Delivery for digital cards can be almost instant, but it may take a few minutes. If the email doesn't appear, have the recipient check spam or junk folders. Keep that message in case you need support. If anything looks off after purchase, reach out to support with your order reference. That's it. You've successfully purchased an Airbnb gift card. Enjoy giving a gift that turns into a future stay or experience, and make sure your recipient knows to redeem it from their account's gift card section.